So today we'll be trying viral TikTok candy and I'm so excited because I don't really like candies, if I'm being honest. I've never had a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna see if these things are gonna change my mind today. One of the most popular candy that I've been seeing everywhere all over TikTok are the freeze-dried candies, and especially from this brand called Space Sweets. I think it's a brand made here in UK. These ones I'm gonna try are the Milky Way freeze-dried bars. I must say the design is unbelievable. Like, they even gave me stickers. Genuinely, you could tell it's a good business. Ooh, this is how it looks. Oh my god. Oh wow. It's so milky and so creamy. It's probably
the best thing I've tried in a while. This is definitely
10 out of 10. Should I rate them or not? I'm not sure, but this is so incredibly good. Like a texture I've never tried before, but it's so goddamn satisfying. Do you wanna have a bite? Give you a whole one. I can't stop eating it.
That's good. I have no idea what it's like. It's a bit like Honeycrisp, it's like crunchy bars.
Next up, I'm gonna try freeze-dried marshmallow twists, and I love marshmallows. This is how it looks.
it's like a piece of chalk.
Oh wow. The flavor is wonderful, but it's so tough. It's like biting in cardboard, and it has this little hole here. The flavor is nicer than the bite. The texture is very similar to the previous one, but it's much more tougher. This gets a 7 out of 10. Next up, we'll be trying freeze-dried peach mini rings. Oh,
Smells incredibly artificial.
very peachy, incredibly sugary. Like overpowering sugary. I mean, it's the least favorite so far. Do you want to try?
Those are very nice. Those are the taste of my childhood, like peach sweets. They feel like I can feel my teeth eroding as we speak.
That's exactly what I feel. It's so like soury, super sugary. I feel like they're perfect for a tooth decay. Next one is a fruity again. It's freeze-dried squashies, raspberry and milk cuboids. Suitable for celiacs, I guess. Celiac. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Definitely my favorite so far. It's like super creamy, like with a hint of raspberry, and just like so melty. 10 out of 10. Get this one. It's like a milkshake, like a foamy texture. Next, I'll be trying freeze-dried drumstick lollies, raspberry and milk lollies. Wow, they literally look like they've been exploded. Like, look at this. Oh, I think they exploded actually. I have no idea what's the process and how they're being made.
Whoa.
I'm not a fan of this one. It's like biting into chalk, but the flavor is just so off. I think 5 out of 10. I must say, I was looking forward the least to this ones because these are freeze-dried lemon beams, like lemon sherbet bars. And I'm not a big fan of sweets with like lemony bits. Whoa.
No, it's so incredibly lemony,
So sour. One word, I mean two.
very chemically.
Last one from this range, Space Sweets, is freeze-dried fruit comets, fruit-flavored candy. So I think there's like mini exploded Skittles from what I've seen. Look at that. Yeah, that's literally Skittles, but not in your used form. It's in like super crumbly, so acidic. Also, they're quite addictive. Must stop eating this. Okay, I know they're not candies, but I've been dying to try these Takis because they have so many flavors there and they're so cheap compared to the corner shop, like 79p, and there's like £4, which is crazy. These ones are not spicy, Bucking Ranch Takis. Oh my god. Oh,
So good.
oh wow, this is so addictive. Okay, next one is a weird one. It's Takis, but is this paleta de caramelo o sabor camoy con chile en polvo. Doesn't even say in English what it is. It's basically a stick with some dried spicy powder. I'm a little bit scared about this one, not gonna lie, because it's very like, you know, something is going on there.
And I'm not sure what it is.
Which looks like this, and it smells, oh my goodness, I think it's supposed to be like a sweet that you just like dipping in this monstrosity of powder. Oh, it smells very cuminy and paprika. Oh yeah, so it's a candy, so I have to lick this. Wow, this is so spicy and so citrusy. I can't even bite it. It's just like a, I don't know, this is so weird. Nah, that's definitely not my favorite thing. Next up, I'll be trying Takis Fuego. And this is supposed to be mega spicy. I think it's lime with chili.
This will give you stomach cancer.
Within months. Oh my god, it's so spicy. Back into the candies, and the next one we gotta try is fruit gummies, strawberry burst, artificially flavored. They've been everywhere on TikTok again. Apparently they have like
Real juice.
oh wow, I didn't even open them properly, and the smell is smelling like, oh, I genuinely smell like real strawberries. How's that possible? Wow, they look like this, very transparent. Like they have like something inside. So good. It's so chewy and it's so strong strawberry like filled. Heaven, literally. Even though they're quite pricey, they're like £3.14 for a pack of 170 grams. I've never really liked like gummy stuff, but like this is on the next level. The next flavor is from the same brand, and this is a gummy grape and it's peelable. So let's see if I manage to do that. It looks like this. I mean, very transparent again, straight away. Ooh, so wow. Incredible, out of this world. I just don't have enough words to describe.
That's like the best gummy thing I've ever had in my life.
I know they're full of artificial crap and sugars, but at least the flavors, the flavoring. The last one from this range is the peach burst. So peachy, look at them, so pretty. And oh wow, this looks so cool. It looks like amber, like a fossil in an amber. Like genuinely, it look like it has a little piece, a little juice thing inside, and it's so like squishy. I got my peaches from whatever. Yada. I just love this. I think I'm having a sugar spike. My brain is not braining anymore. I'm gonna end up with trying this famous pickles, and this one is Pickle Rick dill flavored. The guy or the girl or whatever came out with this idea is a genius. Because when you think
A pickle is just a pickle.
and it's cheap, but the way they took it out, they made this fantastic concept with like these characters and these also flavors, and they made in the States, and I'm gonna try for the first time in my life a pickle made in USA. I have high expectations because,
As an Eastern European, we love our pickles.
and I don't know what to expect from them, but let's see if they are at least as good as the ones we have. Oh, the smell is really pungent, and that's a huge pickle. Wow, look at that. The size of this pickle. No, I like my pickles, but this is not pickle that I was hoping for. It's very salty and very soft.
And I like my pickles to have a crunch.
And this one is just like, nah. That was me trying a lot of weird candy from TikTok, and I really enjoyed this experience. I want to try more. Do let me know if you want to see more videos like this, because I love trying weird stuff. Don't forget to subscribe somewhere, smash the huge thumbs up, and ring that bell notification, because why the hell not. See you next time. Mwah. Bye.